All right, this is Securely Classroom, and what you'll do is you will visit securely.com. Please notice the spelling of securely. You'll click on login and then school. Once you've done that, you'll sign in with Google. The first time that you log in, what will happen is you'll come to the Welcome to Classroom by Securely. You'll get started and you will import any of your Google Classrooms. When you try to sign in, what will happen is it may pop out with a second sign in button. So don't be alarmed by that. What you'll do is you'll go back to the original tab. It seems to do that on a PC, but on a Chromebook, it'll keep the one tab. I'll sign in again, put in my password, use my account, allow it to access my Google Classroom information. And instantly, I have access to what is called Securely Classroom.